lonely boy.
I really work hard for this shit. Right.
Let's get started. To start my installs, I always like to clean my forehead with alcohol. I did that upstairs though, but I'll do wig caps for colored hair. If I wear a black wig or something like that, I just will either put it on my head like this, or yeah, I probably won't use a wig cap. But I think that you should for colored wigs, because unless your hair matches the color. This one is a little thin too, but it's okay. Probably gonna get makeup in my hair, but that's okay. And this is just the Magic Brand from the Beauty Supply HD wig cap that I'm gonna be using today.
So won't you say my name, if you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady, ain't been calling me baby, yeah. Boy, you can go stop playing games. Whip, body, whip.
So after we get that on, what's it called? So after I get that on, I like to go in with my Got To Be and the Got To Be Ultra Glue. I put this one on first and then I spray with this, and then normally I let it just air dry, but for the sake of time, I'm gonna use my blow dryer on the cool setting so that that'll speed up the process. Sometimes I'll sew it down, but I don't know how long I'm gonna be leaving this wig on, so I'm not gonna sew it down. But I do recommend if you use a ball cap to sew it down so that it don't move and it don't shift. Because a lot of times your wig, like when the ball cap, what's it called? When the ball cap shifts, that's gonna make your wig lift. But if you have something like thin like this, like an HD ball cap, you really shouldn't have to worry about that. But those thicker ones, I definitely recommend that you sew down. But now I'm gonna let this dry. But while that's drying, I'm gonna finish prepping the wig. But it's already done and stuff from my last videos y'all saw. Or if you didn't see this one, I don't know. But what's it called? I'm just gonna put the makeup on it so that it matches my skin tone. But I'm kind of yellow right now, so I'm kind of scared that my foundation won't match. But we're gonna see. So I like to mix my Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue with my Fit Me foundation. I really I use this on my face sometimes. It's just a tinted hydrating cream, gel cream with SPF in it. I normally use it during the summertime if I'm like doing like a little makeup look or something. I didn't need that much. I probably did though. Gotta put some on the bald cap too once it dries. Don't forget to put it on the bald cap. I be doing that and then it be making my wig look ashy. But hopefully I still have some. It's only a little bit.
Until I find a way, I will say the only words I know that you'll understand.
I use this. I think Mama got this for me. It's a little travel brush set. And it come with these 3 little brushes. I use this one. Well, I think I'm just gonna use it for like my hair, so I don't have to use my actual makeup brushes for that. Wait, just gonna test that out. It's a little. Oh, it mounts pretty good. Blend it out a little bit more. I don't know if I can see my hand, but it blended in pretty, like, really good. Actually, now that I'm looking at it from the side, you can't even really tell that it's on there. So yeah, this is gonna be a go.
Is this love? 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 Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love? 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 Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love? Is this love? Is this I'm willing and able. So I throw my cards on your table. I wanna love you. I wanna love and treat you. Love and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every.
Okay, now I'm gonna now that it's dry and whatnot. Sorry, if I'm looking right, it's the mirror's right here. So if my eyes go that way, it's because I'm looking at myself. But now I'm just gonna take the same little mixture.
Day and every night we'll be together with the roof right over our heads. We'll share a shelter, yeah. Oh yeah. Off my single bed, we'll share the same room, yeah. Would you provide a bed?
Ain't been calling me baby, yeah. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. Whip, body, grip, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can't post it. How that works? What you talking? Back that shit up. Won't you say my, say my? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You. It ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby.
I'm using the boho glue. I actually don't. I mean, I don't not like this glue. But I like the it's like red. I think it's the Kiss brand. I like that blue better. And I heard that they were selling 8 bowl holes. So now I'm gonna put the glue where it's supposed to be.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing.
Before I cut it, I'm gonna what's it called? I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna spray half with this one Milton spray, and I got this other one, this new one. This is the one I normally use, or I really be using this. This is always gonna work, but I like this one. This one, my mama had got it for me. I think she got it on like TikTok or something. It's, I don't know if it'll focus. I don't know if it's focusing, but it's a dollar hair melting spray. And then I got this Ebon Wonder Lace Bond lace melt spray. I don't know, I never tried this before. As you can see, it's brand new. But I'm gonna do like half. You know what, since we got 3 different tabs, I'm gonna do the top. We got to be the left side with the dollar one, and the Ebon, is that Eben? I don't know how to say it, but on the right side. And we're gonna test this out and see which one really is better. Hopefully they all come out bomb and it don't mess up my hair, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. So I'm gonna just put all that up right now.
I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Guess I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, I feel good when I'm alone, leave me in the studio, daily self-discovery, holiday recovery, they love them instead of me, and still, bad things, there's a lot of bad things, they wish and 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 they wish. She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my cat and my snowboard, I'm sorry. 93, I even got it tatted on me. 2012, lady, y'all know feeling sorry. And you know me, without T there probably would be no me, dog. Holler back at me in 2023. Lying bitches up from the nosebleeds, yeah. God's plan, God's plan. I can't do this on my own. Here's to me and Team Thoreau, yeah. Holding down Colorado, staying true to 303, yeah. I hope one day Drake see me, yeah. Summer dropping my EP, and still, bad things, there's a lot of bad things. They wish and 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 they wish.
put it on. Let's see. This city glued down. I it depends. We're gonna see though.
Trap, money. This shit got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with. Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave beside me. 'Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. 'Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always.
I show 'em how to network. Fuck that Netflix and chill. What's your network?
'Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you.
Okay. So we are back. Or I'm back. I don't know who's we. But I got the alcohol. They don't have, my parents don't have clear alcohol. So I just got, what is it? Well, it's the same thing. It's just wintergreen. And it's 50%. Pretty sure it does the same thing though. Put some more glue right here. Okay.
$1 million baby. I've been told you bet on T, and I thank God I got real talent, so I ain't gotta bet on beef, bet on pussy, bet on gimmicks, bet on ass kissing these critics, and you can tag your best bitch in. I bet I been it. Block who? I bet I spin it. Top 2, not 2, no limit. Master P, my shit I pin it. Challenger, this shit not tennis, but I'm still finna bring a racket. I'm a problem like I was a bad kid, and if you ain't want baby killing shit, well bitch you shoulda rapped it. Me and none of these hoes is seeing me. Let's be real. I've been ballin' on them like Angel Reese, ain't got no SP still. I'm shining eyes on them, get the SPL. I got it, I'm coming, so you best prepare. And clean up good for.
I'm just gonna put some makeup on it. Hopefully that helps, cause this is not okay. No, that's not helping. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I think I need a darker. I just think it's the wrong shade, like I had said earlier. No, my shit ashy. I just said that I was talking so much shit on my shit ashy. Like, from some angles, I don't know if you can tell. I don't know how it looks in the camera. But like in the mirror, from some angles, it don't look terrible. Like I can't see it, but like when I put the light on it, I can definitely see the shit. And we need a lace that's in any like condition. No Philly. It's giving skin. So what's it called? I'm finna clean this stuff up. And we will see in about like 5 or 6 hours how this is looking. I would go to the store now, but like I said, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. And I'm not gonna do that right now. Yeah, I'll be back to style it. See you guys in a sec. Good morning. I'm gonna run it really late, so I'm not gonna talk as much. I'm just gonna do my hair and let y'all see what I
was dirty in the first place. Call me HR, like who's getting dirty in the workplace? I took out the E, cause my tank never empty. Gas up a bitch, here's a 20. Yes, I got millions of those, millions of hoes, thousands of haters, a couple of foes. Really, they wanna be besties, I know. Bitch, I'm on top, I'm on Becky for show. Toes on the back of your neck and they cold. Ring on my finger, the money proposed. I froze, cause I ain't sure if I should murder you hoes. I ain't never worked a set, baby. I ain't do no wrong. I could clean up good for you. Oh, I know right from wrong, cause I wanna make it $1 million, baby. I ain't never worked a set, baby. I ain't do no wrong. I could clean up good for you. Oh, I know right from wrong, cause I wanna make it. Yeah, I'm $1 million, baby. Yeah. Cause I wanna make it. I'm $1 million, baby.
DJ Ray Bans.
Get the back, King Walker.
I told you take this plan B and stop playing. I'm tired buying dinner, finna buy some land. They still tryna figure out who I am, who I be. Talking hoes, that shit weak. They say money talk, put diamonds in my teeth. I be Louis down with Jordans on my feet. Niggas messed up in your yard like trick or treat. You better play your cards right, you better not ever reach. For this thing over here, I put you underneath. Yeah, I rap the 5, but I put you 6 feet. Hey, nigga, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, money, fuck the bullshit. Yeah, I made some meals off my tours, bitch. Hell yeah, I made some meals off my merch too. I got yellow diamonds singing Van Goku. Niggas only killers on Pro Tools. Old lame niggas, nigga, I ain't got no juice. Lame niggas, nigga, I ain't got no motion. When's I flexing on these niggas like I'm Hulk Hogan? Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, handle business. I'm sitting on the industry and God is my witness. Let's go, let's go, let's go,
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. I can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grow stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. While it's going on, I'll put it in the song. We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why we both can't lay here. And secret, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game we know. We both can play for tonight.
I'm finna go get ready, and that's gonna be the end of the video once I put on my outfit and I do my makeup and stuff, so y'all can see like the full look. But yeah, see y'all in a minute.